Hi, I'm Nishad and welcome to this new video tutorial of Bagisto. In today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out our new plugin, that's the Laravel eCommerce SaaS USPS shipping. Now using this particular plugin, the super admin would be able to integrate the USPS shipping within the tenant store, and the tenants would be able to provide the USPS shipping for shipping the products at their storefront itself. Now kindly note that this particular plugin, that's the Laravel eCommerce SaaS USPS shipping, is an add-on to the Laravel eCommerce multi-company SaaS plugin. So you'll have to have that first, and then you can make use of the Laravel eCommerce SaaS USPS shipping plugin there. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be seeing how the customers would be able to select the USPS shipping method at the checkout time after adding the product into the cart there. Apart from that, we'll also be seeing how the tenants would be able to initially configure the particular plugin after the successful installation at the super admin's end, and how the super admin would be able to initially configure this USPS plugin from the super admin backend panel there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So let's hop on to the storefront first and let's check the customer workflow there, how the customers would be able to select the USPS shipping methods at the checkout time to get the particular products delivered at their home steps using the particular shipping provider, that's the USPS shipping service provider itself. So let's hop onto the storefront first, and then we'll see the rest of the configurations at the tenant end and the admin end, or the super admin end, in the admin backend panel there itself. So we'll be checking out the customer's workflow first, and we'll be seeing how the customers would be able to select the USPS shipping at the checkout time after they have added the products into the cart and they've moved on to the checkout page there. But before that, let me show you. Right now I am on the tenant website, that's the site1.bagistosaas.com. This is the tenant's website front end, and this is the tenant's backend panel. That's the site1.bagistosaas.com/admin/login, and this is the super admin website, that's the bagistosaas.com/super/login. Now let's hop on to the storefront first of the tenant website, and here you can see that I've already logged into my customer account panel there. That's the Smith door, and what I'll be doing is I'll be adding one product into the cart to make a checkout there. So let's add the shoes products into the cart there. So after adding the product into the cart there, the product would be added into the cart, as you can see, and the customer would be able to tap on the checkout button thereafter. And after tapping on the checkout button, the customer can select any of the addresses that he has already saved, or he can add a new address as well. So for this demonstration, let's select 32 Street Lane, 90001, California, United States, and let me select that up. After selecting the particular address, the customers would then be able to see a complete listing of the shipping services that would be available there for selection, and from that particular list they'll be able to select a particular one. So here you can see that here we are having the select shipping method, and here you can see that here we are having the title, that's the USPS shipping, and the method names: priority mail express 1 day, priority mail express 1 day whole for pickup, priority mail express 1 day flat rate envelope, so on and so forth. So these are all of the methods, or the shipping methods provided by the USPS shipping, and you can see a complete priority mail small flat rate box, priority mail flat rate envelope, priority mail legal flat rate envelope, priority mail padded flat rate envelope, so on and so forth. So the customer can select any one of them and can proceed further to place the order. So let's select this one, that's the very first one. That's the priority mail express 1 day for $29.25 there. The same is visible here. The delivery charges $29.25. And after selecting the USPS shipping method, the customer can proceed further to select a preferred payment method. After selecting the payment method, he can scroll down and he can see the particular shipping method provider that he has selected, that's the USPS shipping, and the amount of the shipping charge there, that's $29.25 US, and then can place the order. After the order has been placed, the customers can view the order details there. So here's the order number 4 that we have placed. Let's tap on the continue shopping and let's go to the orders section. Here's the order number 4 that we have placed. Let's view the particular order. So here you can see that the shipping and handling charges are $29.25 and the shipping method selected by the customer is USPS shipping itself. So this is how the customers can place the order there using the USPS shipping method there as per their own requirement. Now let's hop on to the tenants website backend panel and let's log into the same by entering the email, password and tapping on the sign in button thereafter. After we have logged in, we can navigate to sales and here's the order number 4 that was placed by the customer, and let's view the particular order. Here if I scroll down, I can see the shipping information displaying the shipping method selected by the customer, that was USPS shipping, and the shipping price is $29.25 there. And from here the tenant admin or the tenant of the website having the admin backend panel access for his backend panel there can generate the invoice for his order by tapping on the save invoice, and can generate the shipment as well by tapping on the ship button. Scrolling down, can see the shipping method selected by the customer, the price of the shipping method, can enter the carrier title and can enter the tracking number, can select the source there and can tap on the save shipment to save the shipment there. After the shipment has been saved, the tenant or the tenant can navigate to the shipment section and can view the particular shipment that he has generated, and here he can find the shipping method selected by the customer, the shipping price, the inventory source, the carrier title and the tracking number entered by the tenant himself. So this was the workflow at the customer's end, at the tenant's admin backend panel, how the tenant can generate the shipment for the particular order and can view the particular shipping method selected by the customer there. Now let's hop on to the super admin first and let's see how the super admin would be able to initially configure this particular shipping method in the first place. So after the successful installation of the USPS shipping method there, the super admin needs to navigate to configure, and here under configure he has to go to sales. Under sales we have the shipping methods. Here we have the USPS shipping method. So here you have to choose the mode as whether it's the development or the testing mode or live or the production mode. So for this demo we have selected it as the development mode. Then we have to enter the user ID and the password for the USPS account there. So you can register yourself as a tenant or as a seller or as a merchant at the USPS website, and then you will be able to receive your user ID, password and the API user gateway URL as well. Now after entering these two details, that is the user ID and the password, you need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. At the super admin end, that's the bugistosas.com super/configuration sales carrier section. Now let's hop on to the tenant admin backend panel, that's site1.bugistosas.com, and here we'll see how we can initially configure the USPS shipping method. For that we'll navigate through configure, sales, then we'll come down to the shipping section, and under the shipping section we'll set up the origin as for this demonstration I've set the origin as United States, the state as California, the city as California, street address as 32 Street Lane, the zip code has 90001, and then I've saved the origin of the store there. Then I've come down to the shipping methods. Here we have the default shipping methods that are the free shipping and the flat rate shipping, and then we have the USPS shipping, and here we have set up the title and the description that is visible to the customers at the checkout time. So this is the USPS shipping was the title. This is configurable. You can set it up as per your own requirement. The description can be set up as per your own requirement. Then I've enabled this particular shipping method for the selection at the checkout time there to the customers. Then we have the calculate tax, and here you can calculate the tax for the shipping as well. Then I've chosen the container as the variable container there. You can select the container from the list there as per your own requirement. Then I've chosen the size as regular. You can choose between the regular and large size there. Then you have machinable, so you can choose it as whether it's machinable or not, the particular shipment. Then we have allowed methods. So here you can select the allowed methods that would be visible to the customers at the checkout time. After they have selected their billing address, they'll be able to see the complete list of Usps allowed methods from which they'll be able to select a particular one for getting their products delivered at their home step there. Then we have show error message on shop. So if you enable this up and you enter the error message here, what will happen is that if the shipping is not available at a particular location, then this particular error message would be displayed to that particular customer at the checkout time there itself. So yes, that was much about the Laravel e-commerce SaaS USPS shipping plugin, and I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow there. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@bugisto.com, or you can raise a ticket at bugisto.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.